Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Burlington again, and I'm looking at the shirts, and then I'm going to look at the shoes and see what's new. Look at this Tom and Jerry sweatshirt. Now, I don't know if that movie has come out yet, but they're supposed to have a movie. But they have a lot of super cute spring tops at Burlington. And they have some denim jackets. Look at this one. I like the distressed look on that. And then I noticed this one. It's like a denim jacket in the front. And then in the back it has this picture. And I love the colors in the picture with the purples and the pinks. So this is a cute hoodie with the little cherries on it. Clearance section. So they have some new things on clearance. A lot of sweaters. And even some spring tops. Like this is on clearance, and you could wear that like now. Running late is my cardio. There's a lot of Mickey Mouse. So I was just like looking around because I don't know if you've seen my Ross video yet, but there was when I was at Ross most recently, there was a lady, and every aisle I would go in, she would go in, and then I would go in a different, and then she would go in a different. And so since I'm just shopping for you guys, at first I was in the medium clothing section, and I thought, oh, she's a medium, so she's wanting to shop here, so I'll go to the extra large. Then when I went to the extra large, she went to the extra large. Then I went to the small, and she went to the small, and she would get real close. And like, I don't know, like my purse was all zipped up. So I don't know what the deal was with her, because she was making eye contact with this other guy who was just standing nearby. And I always get paranoid about, you know how there's those machines or something, and people can pick up your credit card number from standing next to you. So there are wallets that protect you from having somebody take your credit card number. But I saw a TV show, and it said that it's really hard to do that, and they have to carry around like a big laptop in order to have enough like energy in their device to pick up your credit card number. So I don't know. I don't know what she was doing, because especially when you're supposed to be 6 feet apart, there's really no excuse for like sneaking up and being next to somebody. And when the whole store's empty, you could just wait till they leave the aisle and then go over there. But I lost her. I took a few like quick left turns and a right, and I went in another department. But I just thought I'd share with you that story, because I was thinking of the last time I was at Burlington, and there was the lady that went through the front door and the alarms went off. So I was kind of thinking of all the drama that accompanies me when I go on these late night shopping trips. Look at these shoes. They're so tall. I don't think I could wear those. I think I would probably trip. But it looks like Burlington is restocking. They're getting a lot of new clothes and new shoes. So I hope you like seeing what was new at Burlington. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.